Join CEL Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for CEL Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The cybercrime is a threat to the progress and security of our nation. The need of our is to create the cyber warriors to combat the cybercrimes. Cybercrimes are not easy to investigate because the crime since exists in the digital world, and therefore there is a great demand of the skilled professionals in this area. It is clear that cybersecurity and digital forensics are integral to the national security. To fulfill the need and train the experts in the different areas of the forensic science, the Government of India has established National Forensic Science University through the National Forensic Science University Act 2020 under the Ministry of the Home Affairs. It is a matter of pride for us to have the campus of National Forensic Science University in the state of Goa. This is in fact the first educational institute in Goa that offers the academic program in forensic science, cybersecurity and digital forensics, and surely it is expected to offer the many other programs in related areas in future.